Welcome to Metrics. In this course, we are going to learn how to use Postman for API testing. And in order to give a clear view on how to test APIs using Postman, the course has been subdivided into 3 categories: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Now, these categories has been carefully curated to ensure that every learner is able to transition from one level to the next, and also owning what they have learned within each levels. On the basic level, we are going to be looking into the meaning of Postman, as well as doing a tour on the Postman application. We're also going to be looking into APIs to explain what API truly means when it comes to software development. And then we'll go further to learn how to make requests using Postman. And lastly, we're going to be discussing what environments and variables are in Postman. And at this stage, I expect that you should be a bit comfortable with Postman. And then this will lead us into the intermediate category. And in the intermediate category, we will be going a step higher. First, by understanding authentication in APIs, we're going to learn to use test and script in Postman. We're also going to learn how to build collections in Postman and then run tests using collection runner. And lastly, we're going to look into monitoring and basic automation with Postman. And at this stage, I expect that you would have become a confident API tester, which would also prepare you into moving into the advanced level. And the advanced level, we'll be looking into data-driven testing with CSV and JSON files. We'll go into advanced prescripts and test scripts. We're going to also look into Postman with Git plus version control. And lastly, we're going to be looking into integrating Postman tests with CI/CD. And this will bring us to the end of the Postman series. With all this being said, you might be wondering, who then is this course for? This course is for complete beginners, aspiring testers, career switchers and self-taught learners, as well as manual testers transitioning to API testing. If you have stayed this long, I believe you have been triggered to understand that you too can do this. Do ensure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out in this series. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. See you in the basic class.